Thermo-Wall insulation helps retain heat that is typically lost through the walls of your above-ground pool, especially during cold nights. Your pool heats up during warm sunny days to a pleasant temperature, and then drops at night with all of the warmth escaping. What results from this is more money spent on heating and a pretty darn cold pool the following morning. Thermo-Wall helps with this heat loss by adding a layer of insulation to the pool walls and trapping in more heat. Thermo-Wall is installed between the liner and the exterior wall of the pool, thus reducing heat loss all of the way up to 80%. It is said that for every cold night you lose approximately 15 degrees from the temperature of your pool, and choosing to go with this material reduces this greatly. Thermo-Wall helps to increase the pool's overall R value. In the context of pools, the R value is a measure of how well a barrier, such as a layer of pool insulation, resists heat loss. Utilizing Thermo-Wall increases the R by 3. So if a pool wall had an R value of 0 and you added this product, it now has an R value of 3. The higher the value, the better. Thermo-Wall acts as a vapor barrier between the liner and the wall of the pool, blocking out condensation that over time causes the wall to corrode and break down. This happens when the warm water meets the cold temperatures and condensation gets trapped between the structural wall of the pool and the internal liner that holds the water. When you use Thermo-Wall, this doesn't happen. Thermo-Wall is quick and easy to install. It comes in a larger roll that we then cut to order based on the size of your pool. It is a typical practice for it to come slightly oversized to allow for stretching and to have some give upon setup. The material measures in at 3/16 inch thick. It is very durable, resistant to punctures, lightweight, and easy to handle. Installation is very easy, and we recommend using spray tack to adhere the insulating material to the inside of the pool wall. Utilizing this product helps soften the walls of the pool so that when someone presses on the wall or kicks off, it actually feels softer. It also helps to create a uniform appearance on the inside of the pool by hiding any glaring liner seams and imperfections that could exist. Thermo-Wall is truly the only product on the market today that is designed specifically for insulating above-ground pools. Would you like to extend pool season for a few weeks on each end? Using Thermo-Wall insulation would be a great way to accomplish this while also helping to preserve the structural integrity. We would also recommend using a water surface blanket during the overnight hours, or really during any time where the temperature drops. These surface blankets usually have clips that attach it to the sides and will work to retain heat while working in conjunction with the Thermo-Wall product. We sell this product in most above-ground pool sizes, and we would be happy to help answer any questions. Click the link in the description for available sizes, and we thank you for watching.